What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, I wanted to talk to you about a toenail fungus remover or fungal nail. That's pretty much what it says right here. We have maximum strength, features repair and restore quickly and effectively, and prevention. So that's a plus. So the uses for here, it says fungal nails, jock itch, ringworm caused by fungus and bacterial infection. Then we have athlete's foot and tinea manum. So those are the functions that it says it works for right there. We also have some warning signs, what not to do, what to do. And let's go ahead and open this up because I want to see what it's looking like. I also want to smell it. I smell everything, y'all. But before we get into actually opening it, I do want to say another thing. So the directions, because we don't be reading directions. We need to read directions. So directions, it says apply in the day and night, twice a day. Before using it for the first time, it says soak the deceased nail, child, with warm water to soften it. Use the nail file to polish the nail. Make it thin, visibly. So we've got a lot of work to do, honey. So we won't be putting this on today because I can barely bend down. Just for the simple fact of my other leg being knocked out. All right, so you want to make sure you remove dirt from nail polish or any other dirt you might have on your toe and stuff of that nature. And of course, like I said, you're going to soak it. And then it says after first use, every 2 to 3 days, use the nail file to polish the surface of the deceased nail and then continue to use it. So when they say deceased nail, they just mean the nail that's infected fungally and stuff of that nature. So they don't mean like your nail is dead. Hopefully it's not dead. If it is, honey, this might bring it back to life. Oh, nice. So we have the little brush like so. It came in the box just like that. Box comes like this. You've got some more instructions in there. Product is right here because I already pulled it out. Oh, and it does come with a little nail file, so that's good. Just in case you didn't have one, you're gonna sand down that toenail, honey. And then after you're done, like I said, make it visibly thin. And then we will go in with this fungal nail treatment. So it's Fungal Nail Renewal Maximum. I'm over here calling it something else, child. So this is what it means by deceased nail. So that's what they're saying. This is stage 3, this is stage 2, and then you got stage 1. You see what I'm saying? Another very important thing, which it does note in here, is to always consult your doctor, honey. Don't just buy things thinking it's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Always consult your doctor, bring your product with you, and be like, hey, I want to use this for my toe. Is it good? Okay, and let them know what it is you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? So they're saying here, if symptoms persist, you definitely want to see your doctor. So on that note, honey, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this nail fungal renewal, okay? And I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.